Hey fly people, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yemi and I make DIY videos basically. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. You can subscribe and you can just wait and check it out before you subscribe, whatever rocks your boat. Today I'll be showing you how I made this artificial plant. I got everything from Dollartree and Dollarama. I had to go to both places because some things were not just right. So let's start with the flowers. I got these ones for $2 each. I got these ones at Dollarama. It's called the Fern bush. It was the only one that was like quite long, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something big and long. So I got 5 pieces of this actually, because I wanted it to be full as well. I also got this pot from Dollarama as well. This was $3. So that's not too bad. It's cemented, it's quite heavy to be honest. And it also looks nice. Now I went to Dollar Tree first, and at Dollar Tree I got the foam that I'm going to put inside the pot. I also got the floral moss. So this is what I'm going to use in as my flower bed, to make my flower bed basically. I got the foam for $1.25. I got 2 pieces. I'm only using one because I have just one pot. So I'm just going to tear this nylon off, because that's what's going to go into the pot. I'm going to tear that off and then put it inside the pot. So just press it down like so and let it get in, and that's all. If you have a bigger pot, then you probably have to buy more foam, but I just needed one. Now I'm going to deal with the flowers. I'm taking out the labels first because we don't want the labels in the way, right? We just want to get the labels out. And I'm kind of arranging the leaves as I'm doing that, because I want the leaves to be, let them look normal. They're like looking in they're facing different directions, and I don't like that. So I'm just trying to get them to the really green parts to face up, so that I can get some sunlight, fake sunlight from my fluorescent bulbs in the house. That you get some sunlight so I can produce some chlorophyll and become greener. I just said rubbish, I know, thank you. Anyways, I'm just trying to get these things to look nice. Okay, so I'm turning the flowers, the leaves, so that they can look pretty, and their really wonky shapes can just look nicer. That's what I'm trying to do, that's all. I'm doing this to all 5. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the 5 yet, but let's just see how it goes, okay? Well, you can tell from the thumbnail that I already used 5. I mean, yeah, whatever. So now that I'm kind of done, I'm almost done fixing the flowers. You can get the regular, they have all sorts of flowers in that place, to be honest. They have the ones that have colors and all that, but I just wanted something that was plain green. I didn't want any drama to it, so that's why I went with this. I actually wanted lemongrass or aloe vera or something like that, but let's continue with the video. I'm going to stick this very first one in the center of my foam right there, and I'm going to be surrounding this one with the other 4 pieces that I bought. Now I'm pressing this foam down because I need there to be, I need to have a little space to put my floral moss so that I can create that flower bed effect, let it look nice. So I'm trying to press this down. Trust me, it's like, I don't know how to describe it, the feel of this thing, but if you keep pressing it, it will keep bending to whatever shape you want it to go. So that's what I'm doing, okay? Pressing it down so that it's no longer reaching the edge of the pot, and it just looks okay that way. Now I'm going to put 2 more flower stalks. I'm going to put 2 more on either side of that one I already placed in the center. You can really arrange this however way you want it to look, but this is how I wanted it to look, and that's why I decided to do it like this, okay? I'm going to put 2 on either side, and after doing that, I'm just going to zoom out so you can see what it looks like from afar, and you can tell me what you think. Do you think it's okay to have just 3, or do you want there to be more? Are you extra like me? You can let me know in the comment section. Now we have 3, and this is what it looks like, but I mean, it's okay. You can go with this. You can just stop here, throw every other thing away and just move on with your life, or you can just be like me. In our village, we are very extra. That's not even true, but let's move on. In my village, no, stop it. In Nigeria, we're very extra, so we like to do, overdo and do more. So I'm going to use everything I bought, okay, using all 5. thank you for listening to me. I'm using all 5. I'm putting everything on that foam, okay? Putting the other 2 on either side of that center. So right now, all 4 are surrounding that one in the center, and it looks nice. In my opinion, it looks okay. I mean, I don't know. Don't tell me that it's not different from when we had just 3 because it's different. As far as I'm concerned, it's different. Now I'm going to add my flower moss to it. Don't worry. I know you're wondering how is this going to look in the end, or you probably already saw that in the thumbnail, but how is this going to look, right? Fine. We're just going to put this inside the pot. Put it around. Oh my god, I think I have a guest sister with me. Okay. I think it's a neighbor's kid. Wow, nice. Anyways, we're going to put this floral moss around, inside, outside, everywhere. Just surround all the stalks around. Make it look like that thing has, there's like sand inside. Just pack everything inside, tricky, push it down, make everything go down. Everything will just look nice like that. Add more. Don't be selfish with it. Okay, there's no need to be missing the floral moss. Is $1.25. You can always go back and buy another one if you want to do another flower. Okay, and actually I did not use everything. I used about half. I think half of it, or maybe a little over half, I don't know, something like that. But this is pretty much what it looks like in the end, and it kind of looks nice. I mean, what do you think? You can let me know in the comment section. Anyways, I'm just going to try arranging the flowers a little bit more. Just add a little zing, and that one that fell off I threw back inside like that, so that I can just stay like that. It will find its way, maybe to join back to the tree, I don't know. Just put it back like that, let everything be nice. And that's pretty much it. You can just go ahead and do your own. Let's say in total I spent how much? I think $15.25, something like that. I'm not sure, or $15.50, thereabouts. You can calculate it and put it in the comment section if it's paining you like that, or if it's doing you like that to know. So I'm just trying to arrange it, turning it upside down, outside, inside, in, or outside, in, anyhow. Trying to make it look nice, that's all. Okay, don't be impatient about this. I mean, it literally takes it's under 10 minutes you actually finish doing this, so you will have more time to actually be turning it upside down. Now that's what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please leave a comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.